You're gonna catch the RS3, the ALCo.
It is Wednesday, April 26th, 2023, and we are here at the Outlet Sports Complex in Northampton, Pennsylvania, along the Northampton Development Center. Here comes RS3M 1546 making a shove move into Northampton Yard with a cut of cars that will be picked up by H66 later today. With the cars now set off in the outbound track for H66 later today, they head back towards the Outlet Sports Complex, just to stop and flip a switch into the inbound track where they'll pick up the remainder of the cut of cars that were dropped off by H66 on Monday. That video will be out later this week.
It's going further down the inbound track. There's some cars parked around the corner that we can't see that Norfolk Southern would have dropped off, and they are going to pick those cars up. And then the trash cars off to the left are just storage. The third track over, that's the runaround track for when Norfolk Southern comes in and drops cars off and then has to get back out. And thank you to Hunter of Upper Lehigh Railfan for all of this great information. Use the bell until they did the other. Maybe they turned that off.
With the other cut of cars that were dropped off by H66 Monday night, 1546
I never heard the bell
smokes up a storm while heading towards and going back into the Atlas complex.
I mean, I guess legally they have to, but
yeah, who knows?
Yeah, see, is it just me or does that look like a mechanic or something?
Yeah, it does. Probably is.
really does smoke like an ALCo.
It does. So what you're seeing, guys, they're bringing in the cars that Norfolk Southern recently dropped off. And they're going to bring them back into the ALCo complex on
Man, look around us. It's all just white smoke. Oh, look at that.
It's like smoking worse than an ALCo.
Yeah, and that's thanks to the 567. Never did that with an ALCo engine. Whew. Man.
It's the smokiest DMD I've seen yet.
Thank you.